Alright, what we got?
No, look next. And here, pumpkin.
What else we got? I mean, besides fruit snacks.
There you go, Barbie.
What does Annalise want? Huh? Landry!
I'm hiding, Barbie.
Why are you hiding, girl?
What are you? I'm hiding.
I thought you wanted a fruit snack. Really? Get the fruit snack.
I can't get them out. I can't get them out.
Is it too heavy?
Uh-huh.
You need some help?
I can't get them out. Uh-huh.
Try again, one more time. You're strong. You can do it.
I got it. I got it.
Awesome. Here.
Open it, Mommy.
You can't open it?
Uh-huh. Let me help. Give me a minute.
Feel alive, but I'm barely breathing. Just pray to a God that I don't believe in.